Hey there, YouTube. Now, I had to trek up the mountain a little bit in my backyard to find a suitable spot to do this. And didn't want to hit anybody's house. And I have seen a lot of very big coyote tracks around here. So this video is not going to be very long. I'm out here on my own. I'm not trying to get eaten. Basically, what I did was, on a log out there, I set up 3 kill zone sized targets out of ice. It's about, I don't know, maybe 70 feet away. Granted, it'll be very difficult to get up on a deer that close, but all I'm doing right now is trying to align the sights on my scope. So it'll do for now. First, I gotta load this. Oops, dropped one. I'm using a Remington 770 30-06 caliber. Okay. Gotta move it a little bit to the left. Alright, so that was the full magazine. It's time to go check, see how I did. Now, coyotes are a very curious creature, so hopefully that doesn't make them curious and bring them over. Hopefully it scared them away. Hold on. Let's see. Where is it? I want to show you exactly what I was talking about, guys. There was prints, pretty fresh ones too, right here. Hold on, let me circle it out. See that? That pretty sizable dog out here. Right here, this is the first one. That's a pretty sizable dog out here. So that's why this video is not gonna be as long as I wanted it to be. Okay. So these are headed here. Wasn't exactly where I was aiming. I was aiming for more right here, but that's okay. I just have to take that into account for the next time. Yeah, so as you can see, my aiming isn't really all that reliable. Hopefully, sometime soon, I'll be able to adjust the sights and be out here longer safely. So I'm about to start the trek back to my house, and wish me luck, guys.